Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix safe to remove hardware notification missing Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to fix safe to remove hardware notification missing Windows 11 from Taskbar. To start, right-click on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Here, click on Other System Tray icons. When you do, flip the switch, safely remove hardware, and eject media. This allows you to have this function on the taskbar. Chapter 2. How to fix safe to remove hardware notification missing Windows 11 with command. To start, right-click on the Start menu and select Run. When doing so, enter the command you see on the screen. Click on OK. In the displayed window, it is possible to select the device to remove. Click Stop and follow the steps. After that, right-click on the desktop and select New and then Shortcut. Then in the window, enter the command on the screen, and after this you must assign a name. Apply the changes. When creating the shortcut, double-click on it to choose the device to remove. Chapter 3. How to fix safe to remove hardware notification missing Windows 11 reinstalling device. To get started, right-click on Start and choose Device Manager. When accessing in Universal Serial Bus Controllers, right-click on the faulty device. Select Uninstall Device. Confirm this action. After this, in the Action menu, click on Scan for hardware changes. You can see the device being installed again. Chapter 4. How to fix safe to remove hardware notification missing Windows 11 restarting Explorer. To begin, right-click on Start and select Task Manager. Here, select Windows Explorer. When doing so, click on Restart Task. You are going to wait for the system environment to load again. Chapter 5. How to fix safe to remove hardware notification missing Windows 11 from services. To start, enter Services in the search box. Open Windows Local Services. After that, double-click on the Plug and Play service. You are going to set the automatic value to Startup type. Apply the changes. After this, with the service selected, click Restart and wait for it to complete. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.